Hello everyone, I'm Xiao Gang. Okay, we're back with more 干货. This chapter covers the development process for a code plugin on the standard Unreal Engine marketplace. This chapter mainly deals with conceptual stuff. We'll only cover some code development standards and details to pay attention to. As for things like business contracts, we'll only touch on them briefly. It's been a while, so I don't remember everything, but I can give you some tips on certain details. You can search online for more and try it out yourself. Its essence is basically like going on Taobao or Tmall or CNU, making your product, posting a few photos, and that's it. The difference is, it is an electronic product for sale. As for our entire process, it actually looks like what you see on the left. The directory is like this. Then, you see there are actually this many. Actually, we didn't write the rest. This stuff is all in my head. I'll go through them one by one for everyone in a moment. It should be fine. Okay. Okay, alright. So let's first go through the whole thing. First of all, what is the plugin? Actually, we've already covered that. A plugin is something you can take your code and package it into a plugin so that everyone can use it. And note that plugins you write yourself are usually placed inside the project, while plugins downloading from the marketplace are usually located here, in our Epic, then UE5, then 5.4, then Engine, then Plugs. And then there's a macro space here, and all of these are third-party plugins. These are all 3-tier plugins. Then you use the plugin. Don't put it into the engine. You need to put it into the project. That is, if you are using, not from, this place only allows plugs downloaded and installed from the 3-tier. How to download and install plugins from the 3-tier. I don't think I need to teach you that. That's too simple. Then here, if it's your own plugin, just put it properly in this place. And pay attention. Some plugins do not allow you to recompile, or rather, it does not allow him to not provide the source code. You have no way to recompile or port it for use. These all exist. Of course, all the plugins I, Xiaogang, provide to everyone are basically source code. You can see the source code, and it supports you to freely modify the source code or recompile it. There's no problem with that. Yes, then you can actually hide all the source code yourself. It's like we have a plugin. After you hide all these things, others only see the header files, and these CPP files are gone. Then what you provide to them are all these DLL. Then this chapter of ours. Why am I talking about this? Actually, this chapter, I originally wanted to turn it into a full course and explain it to you in detail, but I really don't have the energy for that. So we can only take a kind of low-end version, a simplified version of this public information, and put it together as one chapter here. This chapter is entirely meant to lay the groundwork for our later core development course. We're just telling you that for plugins, if you want to commercialize them, you can do it this way. But when we actually develop plugins, let's stick with writing code as the standard, right? Okay, so after this lecture, we first open this page. We prepare the information. This is the Unreal Engine marketplace. Then click here to submit content. Okay, then here, enter Epic, enter EPICE GAMS. Here it will prompt you to register an account. This is my pad. You can see we have many plugins here. This exclamation mark is because he did not go to the latest version mismatch. We will explain it to him later. This login collect plug jar can also be explained to everyone. My web plug core. This socket server should also be explained to everyone when there is time, because this plugin is mainly some features are quite practical, and this code, after several iterations, is very valuable for learning. Reference significance and value, though this course of ours actually has very high value, you probably won't find it on the market. Courses of the same type or level, okay, so we don't need to advertise, because there's only this one course. Then we manually click this. Click this marketplace guide. Marketplace guide. We can learn a lot, and the marketplace subgroup is this thing. We'll go through each one for you in a moment. Go through each one for you. Okay, good. This is our link. I'll put this link right here. We'll use the same method as before, but this chapter probably won't involve writing any code. We'll just put it here, mainly for everyone to see. After we finish watching this, we'll properly start in the next chapter. Writing just some highly commercialized code. We'll start writing in the next chapter. This part is the marketplace plaba subgroup. Okay, this part is just to lay the groundwork for everyone. As for the basic workflow, we'll introduce it according to this basic workflow. Then, if I think of anything, I'll elaborate on it in detail for everyone. Okay, so this concludes the explanation for this chapter. This chapter is of great commercial value and significance. Okay, then we will start the next lesson, going through each one by one. Thank you, everyone.